Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Are you guys facing issues to add video on Lightworks? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Lightworks software in a laptop device. Once you open the Lightworks, log in into your account. If you don't know how to log in, then make sure to check out our guide on how to log in into your Lightworks software. After you open the Lightworks, now simply click on create new project. Now give a name to your project. After you give your name, now just simply click on create. After you click on create project, now look at the left side of your screen where you can see the option for import clips. Click on it. Now go to your file location and find the videos. For example, if you want to add this video, just simply click on it and click on import. To add the video in the timeline, just simply drag it down. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add videos on Lightworks app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.